I lost 16 pounds. Check this out. I went 7 days without food, and I can say it was worth it. So here are a few things that happened to me when I was fasting. I lost 16 pounds. I got improved skin texture. My skin came back better than it was before. I lost all interest in sugar and carbohydrates. Now this was huge. Prior to the fast, all I could think about was what I'm gonna eat after the fast. Now that the fast is over, I haven't gone back to those foods. I don't have any desire for processed foods, breads, fast foods, fried chicken, none of the things that I thought that I would immediately dive back into after the fast. My mind was clear and primed for creativity. I was singing, I was writing, I was designing, I was planning. I had given my body a chance to rest, and therefore my mind was well rested, so I could dive deep into my subconscious and pull out parts of myself that I thought were buried. I would encourage anyone to go on this journey and take the 7-day water fast. You will be so much better on the other side of it. It also gives you an opportunity to reset your life. Try this fast. All you need is a DeToxHer and a DeToxHer, and you can go 7 days without food and see amazing, miraculous results.